Have you been struggling to get the right neck depth and length for your cowl neck ruched top? That is what I will be teaching you in this video. After watching this video, you will be able to make your ruched top perfectly. Enjoy! For this ruched top, you need 1 yard or less than 1 yard of fabric, and you need 3 measurements for this top. Number 1 is your neck measurements. You see, I'll leave this as 30 inches. These 30 inches, I will add 3.5 inches to it. I will tell you the reason why in this video, okay? After taking these measurements, I will take my top length. My top length still starts from here. You understand? All the measurements we will take have to start from this center back. Okay, I'll put my full measurements. If you want to get your accurate measurement, you can see in this video the length of my top is 37.5 inches. That is why I got that. If you don't want it to be long like that, you make yours more shorter. You understand? If you want it more longer, you add more to it. This is where I have 37. I have 37 close to my knee. You see, because of the ruche, everything will draw up because of the 3.5 I remove here. So I will use 37 for my length. After using 37 for my length, after sewing, I will have my top like this place. As you seen in this video, I use 37. Okay, so that you will not get surprised. Maybe after doing everything, it's funny or short or too long. It's even better if it's too long, you understand? But if it's too short, that's not what you want, right? So I will leave it at 37, my length. Then my hand still in this center back, I will take it and measure where I want to put the rope. I have it at 18. You understand? I will put it in 18. I look for 5 inches in this edge. Then I will rule it. So after ruling it like this, when you mark it like this, you see that you have 3.5. I just like to explain this way because I don't just want to sew something, then I say do it like this, do it like this. I just want to explain it in depth. After you make your top, you can be short of fabric, like that's not the depth you want. That's why I'm doing this. This one is out of your measurements. You see, my neck depth is 30 inches. I added 3.5 to it. The measurement of the fabric I'm working with is 37.5 by 33.5. So what I will do first, I will take it to the sewing machine and I will hem this place. This is the neckline that will form the neck. You see, this is how it's going to be. I will take it to the sewing machine and sew this place first. I will iron facing on this fabric. This is the band I'm going to put in the back of my top because I don't want to tie it. I want to just put band and just throw it on and down. So I'll cut this 2 inches. That is, I'll cut it on 2 inches. It will now be 4 inches. I'll cut it 4 inches, but fold it will be 2 inches. I will use 1/2 inch to sew it. That means it will be 1.5 inches after I sew with 1/2 inch. So the total length of this will be 5 inches, but I'll cut it for now 6 inches because of the seam allowance in both sides. You understand? I will sew it this way and I will sew it the other way. So it's 6 inches. After sewing, it will be 5 inches. This I made instead of the rope. You see, after sewing it, it's now 1.5 inches. And this sewn line will be in the middle. You know, it's like this. But I will iron it like this. This center where I sew will be in the middle. Then I will iron it. Then I will bring this my fabric for the ruche to be like this. I've already sewed this place. You see, I've already sewed it. So I'll fold it like this. I'll look for 5 inches. This is 5 inches from here to here. Then I will mark it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. So after sewing it, I'll cut off this excess here. I'll cut it off. Then I will mark here from where I sew. I'll mark to 18 inches. Then I will mark it 18 inches. See, this 18 inches is where I'm going to put it. So what I will do, I will cut off this edge. So I will now connect from this place. I'll just freehand it. The reason of connecting like this is to remove this sharp edge. I'll connect from this way to this 18 inches. I'll put this in the back, but if you like, you can put rope if you want to put rope, but I will put this. I just prefer this. So what I will do, I'll fold this one 1/2 inch. Then I'll put this one under, close to the where I cut it, like this. I'll put it under, and I will take it to my sewing machine. I'll fold this place, I will fold it, I will sew it round. So after sewing here, I will now take this way and do the same thing. Fold it 1/2 inch, insert this inside and sew. Okay, I will just sew this first, then come and show you what to do next. What I will do now, I will take it to the sewing machine. Then I will sew it. I will follow this sewn line. I'll just sew it down. Then I will do the same to the other side. Follow the sewn line, just sew it down. This place for the neck, I will just use sewing machine to tack it down, because after sewing it, this is how it should be. You see, it should be like this. This side should be facing outside, while this side should be facing inside. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll just take it to the sewing machine to do this now. This is the final result. So beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.